6 years ago, we set out on our road trip.
Ready, Rubes?
Yep.
이야기는 서로 달콤한 사랑을 나누며 어딘가로 여행을 떠나는 중년 부부의 모습으로 시작합니다.
But we weren't about to stop. We'd move, settle for a bit, back to Sydney for visits, head off again.
그들 가족은 설레임을 품고서 무려 4년 동안이나 여행을 다녔지만 세상에 영원한 것은 절대 없었죠.
Who knows where we might have put down roots if we hadn't blown that tyre.
I can do it.
Too dangerous. Dave, it's on a slope.
What if we stop moving?
Why don't you go and have a look and tell me what that sign says?
It's called a diversionary tactic.
Every family has its old soul. Ruby's ours.
Come on, Grumpy.
Maybe the years on the road.
Baradina.
결국 이곳저곳으로 이동하는 것을 선호했음에도 고장난 차 때문에 그들은 버라디나라는 곳에 정착하게 되었습니다.
We fell in love with Baradina. In the blink of an eye, we found our new home.
Too old for this.
Oh, it was a bit lighter last time we did it.
Dave found motocross. And we found a lodger.
물론 그들은 언제나 밝게 미소를 띄우며 긍정적으로 살아가는 이들이었기에 주변 환경은 딱히 중요하지 않았죠.
Next door neighbour and friend. All in one. You do lose touch with people though. It happens. And here we are, 2 years later.
그렇게 그들은 버라디나에서 여러 사람들과 관계를 맺었으며 이는 자동차가 수리되었음에도 이곳에 머물러야 했던 이유가 되었습니다.
It was Ruby that put me on the road to an answer.
You sure you don't need a lift?
Yippee! Hi! Yippee!
Oh, hello, you.
From one small act, great change.
Is Ruby on a clean-up kick? She just grabbed Yappy's crap from the front yard.
딸인 루비가 종종 이상한 행동을 하긴 했지만 그저 단순히 어쩌다 한 번 있는 일이라고 생각했던 줄리.
So, who?
Ruby's Ruby?
All right, come on. Paintings on the wall. Place your sculptures. We're expecting a lot of parents.
Ruby! Otherwise, they'll roll off.
루비는 확실히 또래 아이들보다 조금 특이한 면모가 있었으며 이로 인해 유독 눈에 띌 수밖에 없었죠.
The school. They want to see us both.
Don't tell me. The poo.
A primary school art show is no place for fecal matter. And stubborn old men?
After last summer, Ruby's worried about the future. Global warming, pollution.
So she chooses some sound grab from the media as her title.
딸을 사랑했던 줄리는 어떻게든 그녀의 행동을 옹호하려 했으나 배설물을 전시에 이용한다는 것은 용납하기 어려운 부분이었습니다.
Do.
Doggy do.
Or don't do. A world left to them by stubborn old men. The title fits. I think it's the one interesting statement in the room.
We did not ask for statements. The do-do unacceptable.
And without it?
A perfectly lovely abstract of the world from space.
그럼에도 그녀는 딸이 틀린 것이 아니라 다른 것이라고 생각했으며 아름다운 방식으로 이를 포장해 주었죠.
Go. No health issue there. Oh, and new title. Fossil Fools.
She's her mother's daughter.
Well, next time you get a bright idea, make sure you run it by us first. Kids your age aren't meant to have political opinions.
이런 유연한 방식을 통해 그녀를 아껴왔지만 루비는 버라디나에 오래 머무는 것이 그다지 마음에 들지 않는 듯했습니다.
Right. Well, like you say, your dad loves Baradina, and we love your
I
dad.
bet if you made a don't like list, it'd be a lot longer than your do likes.
Go to sleep.
Every small town needs an art scandal.
심지어 삽시간에 그녀의 기행에 대한 소문이 퍼지기 시작했으며 줄리 역시 진지하게 고민하기 시작했죠.
The old power of persuasion. Have I still got what it takes?
I just thought we could get away for the school break. Let the fuss die down.
The kids are coming for our anniversary.
Yeah, well, the highway leads to them as easily as it does to us. Can't we celebrate there?
Not like you to run.
I think we could all do with some city.
한 곳에 오래 머물렀기에 이런 일이 생겼다고 생각했고 결국 그들은 다시 이전처럼 새로운 곳으로 여행을 떠나는데
So the Poogate scandal had us heading off.
Polar bears are invading towns they've never gone into before. Rich white men, poor white bears. Good title.
A change of scene. Just what we needed.
So, Petal?
You talking to me? I think you just did. She did, right?
Hey, if they're left over tonight, you should take them home for Cassie.
그들이 떠나고 있는 시드니에는 또 다른 가족이 열심히 일을 하고 있었습니다.
We'll fit you all in somehow.
What about my toys?
We'll get them when we can, little guy.
그들은 줄리와 데이브의 자식들이었으며 아파트가 무너지는 황당한 사고 때문에 정신이 반쯤 나가 있는 상황이었죠.
I know, one of those structural floor thingies. He rocked up home and cops and emergency were everywhere.
Tell your mum I can't wait to see her.
Edward thinks it's a big adventure.
Well, Nathan's a little bit rattled. We both are.
Cute answer. How did I get so lucky?
Oh, you swiped right.
어처구니 없는 상황에 처했기에 미안했지만 자신의 동생이었던 벤에게 도움을 청해야만 했습니다.
It'll take you back.
Oh, sure will.
Hey, Eddie. Auntie Cassie's got some cake if you're up for it.
Yeah!
Yeah. How are you?
Add mine to the list of defective apartment blocks. I reckon the foundations have subsided.
Mum and Dad.
Yeah.
민폐라고 생각할 수 있었음에도 그의 부탁을 흔쾌히 들어주는 것을 보면 그들 가족의 화목함은 부모님으로부터 이어지는 것 같았죠.
Hey, kiddo. Hey.
We're here because our place is falling down.
좁은 방 안에 여러 명의 사람들이 들어가 있는 판국이었지만 그들은 전혀 아랑곳하지 않으며 못다한 얘기를 나누었습니다.
You're talking IVF. You are. It beats collapsing apartment blocks on loop.
Hey, language. And we're pulling our weight, thank you.
Yeah, she gave good attitude at that age. What?
The mattress. It's like my life. I mean, come on. Trust me to buy a lemon. I think the word you're looking for is disaster!
다만 네이선은 사랑하는 아들과 살 곳이 없어졌다는 생각에 예민해졌고 앞으로가 막막한 듯했죠.
Night.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Whatever, whenever. Sweet dreams.
그래도 무너진 건물을 다시 세울 수는 없었기에 현재의 상황에서 최선을 다하는 것이 그가 할 수 있는 유일한 일이었습니다.
That it?
Yeah. Yep. They're letting us back in tomorrow if there's anything we forgot.
Big of them.
He had this look in his eye that said maybe never. Ray, the upside is it can't get much worse, all right?
We visit Dad once a month, at least. He's going downhill, but slower than expected.
I'll settle for a smile, even if he doesn't recognize us. Hey, Dad.
줄리의 아버지는 나이가 들어 정신이 오락가락했으나 여전히 딸을 사랑으로 보듬어 주었죠.
We're off to Shanghai Express and Kung Pao chicken.
You remember?
A fella doesn't forget something like that. Where's your mum?
She wasn't there that night, Dad.
Of course she was.
점차 기억을 잃어가는 아버지가 너무나 안타까웠지만 아직까지 살아계시는 것만 해도 그녀에게는 큰 힘이 되었습니다.
Well, we'll be back to pick you up in 3 days' time, Dad, okay?
No show without punch. Bye.
What say we share some more?
여행을 떠난 계기는 딸의 정신건강을 위해서였으나 이제 그들은 점차 과거 본인의 모습을 마주하고 있는 것 같았죠.
It's almost 30 of our 35 years here.
Good times.
Wonderful.
All of us under the same roof. Ben next door. No going back.
사실 언제나 긍정적으로 살아가는 이들처럼 보였지만 가족 모두 하나씩 마음의 상처를 안고 있었습니다.
That's all right. We'll finish it later. Come on, come on. Let's roll.
What?
Nothing.
Cassie?
네이선에게 아들을 좋은 곳에서 키우지 못하는 것이 하나의 상처라면 캐시에게는 유산이라는 경험이 이와 비슷한 맥락이었죠.
You okay? You sure you're up to covering?
I don't want to spoil the anniversary.
We can try again.
Okay, everyone, let's go. Hey, I thought you were teaching him.
한편 그들은 오랫동안 떨어져 있던 가족들이 다 같이 모인 김에 저녁 식사를 하게 되었습니다.
When was the last time you were here?
Ages ago.
Lazy Susan. Lazy Susan.
Mate, trust me. No.
You listen to your dad, Nathan.
I'm Nathan, Grandad. This is Edward.
치매에 걸린 테드는 현재의 상황을 온전히 판단할 수 없었으니 주변 가족들에게 상처가 되는 말을 쏟아내기 시작했죠.
She's Vietnamese.
Where's Mel? You're not Mel.
Mel died, Dad.
You moved on fast enough.
A long time ago.
I like Mel. You got kiddies? Waste of a life. No kiddies. Mel liked the Chinese.
Excuse me. Ben said.
며느리가 마음에 들었던 줄리는 언제나처럼 그들이 자신감을 잃지 않도록 곁에서 힘을 북돋아 주었습니다.
Just rest. Let your body restore.
4 times. I don't know if I can bear it again. I told him before we got married that I had problems in that area. What if he stops loving me?
Cassie, you are so loved.
Okay.
I will be. I just need a minute.
Here she is.
Rachel, hi!
사실 줄리와 데이브에게는 또 하나의 자식이 있었으며 뉴욕에서 생활했기에 이번 모임에는 참석하지 못했죠.
So, what's the news?
Nathan's apartment screwed.
What?
You're down the road? Yeah. Bad building practice.
Heath, what are you going to do?
Stay with Benno for a bit.
다만 레이첼의 굳은 표정을 보면 아무래도 이 자리에 참석하지 않은 이유가 있는 것 같았습니다.
After as they celebrate 35 wonderful years.
And our role models for happiness.
Oh, that's quite a responsibility.
You're up to it.
Well, that's me. I got to go get ready for work.
Any news? Anything exciting?
Nothing that won't keep.
Love you.
Plenty of time to meet them once you're born, Munchkin.
임신한 그녀를 뒤로 하고서 줄리는 지금의 평화로운 일상에 조금씩 균열이 가 있다고 생각하죠.
Dave and I, Kung Pao chicken. With love, you're missing an ingredient.
Chow down, Mum.
Or Ruby, there's too much sauce. Dad, you forget the recipe. Or Nathan, it just won't come together somehow. Then it all gets out of whack.
아프신 아버지와 더불어 자식들이 하나씩 상처를 안고 있었기에 그들을 아꼈던 줄리는 걱정이 늘어난 것이었죠.
Oh, I worry about him. Been so long since there's been anyone.
Romantic.
Practical. No, we used to clean up after them.
Yeah, we still are.
We used to be there to help clean up.
They're adults now.
Yeah, well, they're still ours.
데이브는 그녀가 너무 홀로 걱정을 떠안고 있다며 이제 다 큰 자식들이 알아서 하게 두자고 얘기합니다.
And where are we in that?
We're parents.
Yeah, with our own life. Where would we live for a start? This setup's fine for a few days tops.
다만 줄리는 오랜만에 만난 그들이 보살펴야 할 존재로 보였고 평안했던 노후를 포기하고자 했죠.
We're not those parents now.
Always are.
Rubes is responsibility enough. Sleep on it.
I've felt it for a long time. Someone has to help clean up. Not the woman I was. So, I want to move back here.
Electricity. You can't see it, you can't smell it, but you know it's there.
한편 이번에는 그녀의 남편인 데이브의 입장에서 이야기가 서술되기 시작합니다.
You short a circuit, there's no warning. Protection trips, and wham. And when you do get the lights to come back on,
Or not.
it's always a relief.
Cab's here.
Resistance.
No worries.
It generates heat.
어젯밤 아내가 얘기했던 것이 마음에 걸리긴 했지만 가족들에게 이를 드러냈다가는 평화가 깨질 것 같았죠.
So, what's with Mum and you?
Shame that life doesn't come with a rheostat.
그 역시 사람이었기에 예민한 감정을 숨길 수는 없었지만 자세한 부분에 대해서는 끝까지 얘기하지 않았습니다.
No home and no job.
I'm feeling stuck.
Don't do anything impulsive.
I don't need advice, Dad.
Your mum's got me all sensitive about rash decisions.
Serious?
Shouldn't be.
그 시각 줄리는 기분 전환을 위해 우울해하는 캐시를 데리고서 호화로운 파티에 참가했습니다.
It's nice to think about something other than that for a night.
You can always try again.
Right.
Ah, you're the famous Anna I've heard so much about.
How long this time?
We leave tomorrow. No, but I'm hoping to be around a lot more in the future.
그녀는 자신이 결정한 부분에 대해서 절대 물을 생각이 없었으며 주저하고 있는 남편을 설득하겠다고 이미 마음을 먹었죠.
Listen, Cassie. Would you mind if Ruby stayed on for a bit?
Would love to have her, if it helps.
You notice the tension.
Well, I didn't like to ask.
But we're just on different sides of a major issue.
Is that what it's about? Being here more?
A lot more.
그들은 이제 서로의 의견을 조율하기 위해서 잠시 둘만의 시간을 갖기로 합니다.
Yeah. Shall we plan our schedule?
Mum hinted to Cassie that she wants to move back.
You can't head off until you've seen your mum.
She won't be coming, Dad.
Of course she will.
점차 늙어가고 상태가 안 좋아지는 아버지에게 안부 인사를 전하면서도 무언가 그녀는 이전과 다른 감정이 느껴졌죠.
See you tomorrow.
I miss you, Dad.
Not like this. You've managed for years. Why now?
He's my father,
Well, who
Dave.
hardly remembers whether you've been here or not. I'm sorry. You want me to drive?
줄리는 가족들의 평화를 무조건적으로 지키고 싶었으며 조금의 균열일지라도 도저히 용납하기가 힘들었습니다.
Cassie and Ben losing another baby. Being here to support her when they try again.
You don't have to live in your kids' pockets to be a good parent.
이미 자식들이 본인의 의지에 따라 행동하는 성인이 되었음에도 자신이 직접 관여하는 것이 이를 해결할 방법이라고 생각한 것이었죠.
Electricity all around us until sparks fly.
그렇게 그들은 아무런 말 없이 한참을 내달렸으며 오랜만에 원래의 집이 있는 버라디나에 도착했습니다.
Perfect timing. I just now fixed your lamp switch.
Oh, Dave.
Where's Rubes?
It's giving her a week off the leash.
All right, well, the worksheet's on your desk and it's all covered.
Thanks for holding the fort.
다만 아직까지도 데이브는 그들이 자신의 손을 떠났다고 생각했기에 이를 설득하기는 쉬워 보이지 않았죠.
Your own children have worries, Dave.
They're in their 30s, Jules.
Welcome back, Julie. Thank you. Not everyone disagrees with Ruby.
Perfect timing.
Grab a pew. Your apron's ready whenever you are.
Thanks. If the point is she'll miss me, I'll miss her.
That was a point. The main one's this.
무엇보다 현재 시드니의 집값 자체가 상상을 뛰어넘는 수준이었으니 당장 집을 파는 것도 문제가 있었습니다.
You want to go into debt again? At our age?
Couldn't we at least look?
I can hear Ruby. I'm not living in this dump.
You're assuming.
You're wishful thinking. Stick your head in the sand.
각자의 생각과 더불어 현실과 이상이 충돌했기에 일부러 시간을 마련했음에도 의견이 좁혀지지는 않았죠.
I'm gonna walk.
Bit tense?
Look, I need a favor. Just between us.
Shaken, not stirred. And chin up.
테사는 이곳에서 만난 줄리의 동료이자 친구였으며 진심을 다해서 그녀의 이야기를 들어주었습니다.
Sure, he might have a few original thoughts on how to push his agenda. You never know.
Really?
Where's your wheels?
I brought these instead.
You didn't see it coming?
Lying in bed, she just came out with it.
패도 역시 데이브 회사의 직원이자 친구로서 그들이 현재 어떤 갈등을 갖고 있는지 얘기를 들어주었죠.
Grab a few things and scoot. Back at work on Monday.
Thanks, mate.
What if she digs her heels in?
Better make sure she doesn't.
What if she does?
Don't know.
다만 그저 그들의 마음에 담긴 소가리를 들어주는 것이 최선이었기에 나머지는 그들 스스로가 해결할 일이었습니다.
What do you reckon?
Well, I'd miss him.
Big time.
Here's to a little bit of romance. Hope it helps.
Socialising.
Well, eating out, socialising.
Not always. Come on.
Right, that's our cue to get out of here.
오랫동안 루비와 여행을 다니며 단둘이 있을 시간이 거의 없었으니 이런 시간이 그들에게는 유독 소중하게 느껴졌죠.
You don't get that in Sydney.
It's beautiful. This is beautiful.
The subject is now banned for the night.
I did a painting of the world for the one at school. Imagine it with poo on top.
Where's Julie?
한편 부부의 자식들은 이런 상황을 전혀 모른 채 할아버지를 찾아가 대화를 나누고 있었습니다.
Where's Julie? Ruby comes with Julie, so who's she?
And we'll tell Mum that you were looking for her, okay?
Your mother should wash your mouth out with soap, Miss Potty Mouth.
화목한 가정에서 살았으며 어린 나이임에도 불구하고 루비는 주변의 어떤 가족들보다 어른스러운 것 같았죠.
It's easy to feel good in an afterglow. Not so much in the twilight. And it takes some effort when you're in the shadows.
모든 가족들은 각자의 고민을 전혀 해결하지 못했지만 이전과 마찬가지로 평화로운 하루를 마무리합니다.
What the cold light of day is going to bring.
Putting in quite a sprint there, Rubes.
Carbo's waiting.
Oh,
it's good to see you.
Hello. Yeah.
Carbo streams all over the world.
Gonna make you famous, Charles.
카보는 그들 가족의 오래된 친구였으며 인터넷 방송을 하면서 생계를 꾸려나가는 사람이었죠.
Now, she was sent to that school and she's here today to show her work to world-renowned artist Charles Whiteman. It's called Gritty Old Men, Poor White Bears.
That'll be us if we don't change.
The art of protest. Bravo, Ruby. You heard her. Sense it. Make a trend.
Change starts with us.
그는 항상 그들 가족에게 친절하게 대했기에 어른스러웠던 줄리도 그의 앞에서는 천진난만한 아이가 되었습니다.
Should have done it last night.
Oh, now that would have been romantic.
Yep.
You got hot.
Yeah.
But
한편 부부는 뜨거운 사랑을 나누긴 했으나 아직 해결되지 않은 갈등 때문에 고민에 빠져 있었죠.
My cousin and I are going fishing. I thought it might cheer him up.
Could you give me a sec to talk to them first?
Yeah, of course.
And you're a good mate.
If you have to go, mate, you have to. My mum always says that you should go find somewhere quiet to sit and listen to your instincts.
Wise woman.
Oh, Dave had his midlife crisis about 6 years ago. I don't know, maybe this is mine.
사실 지금의 갈등이 전혀 해결되지 않는 이유는 서로를 너무나 사랑하면서 각자의 의견을 존중했기 때문이었습니다.
what now for you?
I tell Dave.
Try and spare the glassware. Yeah?
무엇보다 데이브는 이곳이 너무 마음에 들었고 자식들의 곁으로 떠나는 것은 가치관에 어긋나는 일이었죠.
Can't put it off, can we?
No, I'm going.
I'm staying.
The kids need us, Dave, our kids. Any practicalities can be worked through.
Ignoring practicalities is easier said than done, Jules. I've found him here better than I've ever known him before.
또한 같이 있자고 지속해서 억지를 부릴 수 있었으나 그녀를 놓아주는 것도 결국 사랑했기에 그럴 수 있는 것이었습니다.
Her, Julie, to me, going back is going back.
Right.
그렇게 서로를 설득할 수 없다는 것을 알았던 그들은 각자의 길을 떠나 본인이 원하는 인생을 살고자 했죠.
Cool?
Every day.
Bloody wonderful ones.
Take care.
Yeah, you too. Give the kids my love. Good luck with Rubes.
35년 동안이나 결혼 생활을 함께했던 그들은 잠시 동안의 이별일지 혹은 영원한 이별일지 모른 채 서로를 떠나보냅니다.
Life and electricity. Overload the circuit and bang go the fuses. In the dark.
Public relations. The professional maintenance of a favorable public image.
그들의 슬픈 이별을 뒤로하고서 이번에는 열심히 일을 하고 있는 레이첼의 모습을 보여주죠.
You're still able to fly, yes?
About a week before Bob grounds me.
They tell me this is your sister.
All this from a little painting in a little school in the middle of nowhere.
Observation Earth want to talk. They think Ruby has Thunberg potential.
Get out of town.
그녀는 어떤 회사에서 홍보 일을 도맡아 하고 있었으며 우연치 않게 루비의 작품이 화제가 되었습니다.
Them to the family, then come straight back. I cannot spare you, okay?
Going home. 8 years here and I still say home.
회사에서 동생에게 관심을 가져준다는 것은 물론 좋은 일이었지만 그녀는 무언가 묘한 표정을 지었죠.
Rachel's coming. What? When? When do you get here?
It'll depend on how long it takes Observation Earth to sign Ruby. She's gone viral.
I know, it's crazy, but who's protest?
I can't be serious.
Yeah.
It's all over social media. If they sign Rubes as a youth ambassador, that would be huge.
There's so much to catch up on.
There is.
Oh, I can't wait to see you.
어찌됐든 정말로 오랜만에 집에 돌아오는 것이었으니 당연하게도 가족들은 그녀를 반길 것이었습니다.
You never know, she might make sense of it.
You're right. Anything to get Rachel home. Jules, someone could drive her, or she could fly up.
Are we really going to do this?
Do what?
Well, she hasn't been back in years and you're being stubborn for the sake of it.
다만 부부는 그날 이후로 완전히 떨어져 살았기에 그녀가 돌아온다면 가족을 보기 위해 이곳저곳을 옮겨 다녀야 했죠.
You, me, Sydney.
So it seems.
Try to sound enthusiastic. Come on.
And in case it becomes an issue, I haven't told them.
About the baby.
무엇보다 그녀는 현재 임신을 하고 있는 상태였지만 이를 가족들에게 알리지는 않았던 것 같았습니다.
We should see if Rachel wants to do the bridge climb.
Whatever makes you happy. It's good to see you happy.
It'll be nice to really get to know her.
Enjoy your IVF downtime.
이를 전혀 몰랐던 그들은 그저 레이첼이 돌아온다는 사실에 잔뜩 설레임을 품고 있었죠.
She'll be here in a minute. Can you set the table, please?
The whole reason she's coming. Why am I the one doing the work?
Nothing's been decided yet. We're just going to talk about what Observation Earth has in mind, and then we'll take it from there. So set the table, please.
Thank you. Ah, she's here. Oh. Hey, family. I'm home. Oh my God. Surprise.
Is she?
Yep.
Why didn't you tell us? How did it even happen?
Justin.
No. Here to handle the account.
Good to meet you all.
아버지가 누구인지에 대해서 의문이 들었지만 일단 오랜만에 만난 것이었으니 인사부터 맞춰야 했습니다.
Wasn't going to keep it a secret forever.
Well, that's comforting.
This pretty much resets the bar, though.
It was unexpected.
I'll let you go, Rachel. We can talk tomorrow to decide when you're coming up. If you're up to it, that is.
I'll only be able to stay a night.
Okay, talk tomorrow.
What's the deal with you guys? Mum here, you there. You guys splitting up.
그녀가 임신했다는 사실도 놀랍긴 했으나 레이첼 역시 오래 떨어져 살았기에 현재 가족의 상태를 모르고 있었죠.
Your dad and I are not separating. We're together, but for the moment,
Long distance never works. Look what happened to me and Jake.
The father?
He's married. Right.
그녀가 가족을 만나고 싶었음에도 묘한 표정을 지었던 것은 이런 불편한 사실을 얘기해야 했기 때문인 것 같았습니다.
Carbo tells me to move fast on something like this.
Carbo knows as well.
I've set up a meeting for tomorrow afternoon.
Yes!
Well, your sister handles some pretty impressive clients. I'm always hoping to get to work with her.
Told you there'd be an interrogation.
I'm just being polite.
My dad works at a bar.
I'm just started there. I did bar gigs all through college.
물론 반갑긴 했지만 그녀의 등장이 무언가 가족들의 균열을 더욱 선명하게 드러내는 듯했죠.
Happy family pic with a glaring lack of transparency.
Pick you up at 2.
Well, as long as you can manage Ruby's expectations. Sorry for the warts and all night.
You should meet my family. Plus, I need to know you to sell you.
I'm so happy to see you.
그래도 그녀는 언제나 가족들을 아꼈으며 멀리 떨어져 있어도 혈육의 정을 잊지 않았습니다.
They're nice.
Never mind.
이곳에 찾아온 이유가 원래 일에 대해서 얘기하기 위해서였으니 다음 날이 밝자마자 본격적으로 대화를 나누기 시작했죠.
Obviously, we're very mindful of Ruby's age.
And having a family member as a point person is a huge plus, Rachel.
Of course. You're in extremely good hands with him.
With us. I call that a 10.
Well, they seem fairly committed.
All done by the signing.
Love the new look. Hey, Carbo.
Justin.
Yeah, you would have seen my stuff.
성공적으로 계약을 마치는 듯했으나 카보는 마치 현재의 일이 자신의 공로인 양 자랑을 늘어놓습니다.
Carbo should have come
Later,
up.
groups. Come on. I gave word not to let you upstairs. And if you barge in there, you could blow the whole thing out of the water. Do you really think that's the brand strategy Observation Earth are going? Nothing like this is going anywhere near the campaign.
물론 카보가 방송을 하지 않았다면 그녀가 화제가 될 리도 없었으니 엄지를 치켜들면서도 내심 마음에 걸렸죠.
Carbo coming?
No, he's not a part of this. I'll call you.
I'll write it up for Max.
It's organic cotton. It's adorable.
I'm not having kids when I get older. It's irresponsible to overpopulate the planet.
이제 줄리는 레이첼의 뱃속에 있는 새로운 가족을 환영하는 태도를 보였으나 벤은 조금 입장이 달랐습니다.
Don't mean to.
Hard not to.
Can't blame him. The IVF put a huge strain on both.
Just need to put my foot in it with Nathan and I'll have the sibling trifecta.
유산을 겪었음에도 지속해서 아이를 낳고 싶어 했던 그에게는 이것이 캐시에게 상처가 될 것이라 생각했던 것이었죠.
I really need this run. Ben thinks I'm upset because she's pregnant. Typical.
So why are you then?
He's gonna project the baby bump onto me, and it's gonna be 10 times worse.
다만 그녀는 안타깝게도 이전의 상처가 회복되지 않았기에 당장 아이를 낳을 생각이 없는 듯했습니다.
Nathan, you're spamming her. Just read the signs. She's not into it. Get some boundaries.
You're doing fine.
Am I?
Of course you see life differently to us.
Still me.
And no one is more proud of you than I am.
그들의 불편한 사정에도 불구하고 레이첼은 본인의 아이에 대한 자부심이 있었으며 남편이 없어도 반드시 키우고 싶었죠.
It wasn't one night, Mum. He said he was going to leave his wife, and instead he gave me a check in the name of a good doctor when I told him. And a sudden turn of the cold shoulder.
결국 불륜을 통해서 얻은 아이였기에 여태까지 가족들에게 드러내기를 불편해했던 것이었습니다.
Try not to interfere. Yeah, but you do, Mum. It's who you are. Did you ask Nathan and Ben if they need you here? Your default position as mother. I didn't need you defaulting with me.
한편 네이선은 외로운 탓인지 여러 여자들에게 자신의 매력을 어필하고 있었죠.
Right, like property investor. Good luck with that.
What's your main gig during the week?
This?
Good for you.
You should have seen the shutters come down. Not happening.
홀로 아이를 키운다는 것에 불안을 느낀 것도 있었으며 물론 자신의 짝을 찾고 싶다는 마음이 가장 우선적인 감정이었습니다.
I'm not sure if he's on Rachel's side. What do you reckon?
Player. I know his type.
I think he's got other things on his mind.
I'm just talking.
You reckon he's sucking up to Rach?
Yeah, of course he is.
As if you'd know.
다만 오래도록 여자를 만나지 못하다 보니 자신의 마음에 드는 사람이 남자와 같이 있는 모습을 보며 감정적으로 행동했죠.
Better idea. We're gonna go home.
No. Go get him, Nathan.
A woman of principle. That's what I like to see.
Oh, Nathan, I was just bringing these up.
Boundaries, she says. Gotta respect boundaries. Just goes out the window. Boundaries. Can't even spell.
Oh, if he's got something to say, don't hold back.
And honestly, ignore him.
You're a bloody player.
If that's what you think.
You see, I used to be you. The whole world, it was there for the take. Enjoy it on the way down.
술김에 어이없는 추태를 부린 것이었기에 이는 그가 깨어나고 나서 반드시 수습해야 할 것이었습니다.
There you go, sweetheart. Got the bucket. Free night in every town in Australia.
I did want to meet the family.
When we find ourselves in damage control, it's tempting to just paper over the cracks. But first steps, making it right.
다음 날 일어나자마자 레이첼은 벤에게 다가가며 자신이 저지른 실수를 바로잡고자 했죠.
Well, if we're handing out apologies, except mine, I should have thought what barging in like this would do to Cassie. How much is IVF? I want to take care of it for you. And given me and Nathan and Mum and Dad, you and Cassie are about it. I mean, it can be a gift. It can be a loan, however you want to do it.
Thank you.
네이선 역시 어젯밤에 저지른 추태를 사과하기 위해 나섰으며 동생을 사랑했던 레이첼은 인자하게 받아줍니다.
Justin's not you.
I know.
We have 5 hours to discuss that. What am I? What's Mum?
Might be short a conversation.
You said it, baby.
I got jealous. Seriously, he was the me I used to be.
Nathan, you know what I think about when I lie awake at night?
Not sure I want to know.
Have I made a huge mistake? I think, look at Nathan. Look at what an awesome job he's done with Edward. And you've mostly done that by yourself.
어찌 보면 그들은 서로 아이가 있음에도 같이 키울 동반자가 없는 상황이었으니 비슷한 고초를 겪고 있다고 볼 수 있었죠.
I could hear my boss on my shoulder. See? Transparency pays.
I get why you love it.
Not your speed.
지금까지의 상황만 봤을 때 가족들은 모두 저마다의 상처를 안고 있었으며 대부분이 배우자와의 갈등이었습니다.
This is me. A moment of self-realization she may never find. Sniping her way to the grave.
Dad.
It could happen.
Never heard you talk like that.
그런 상처를 가진 이들이 결국 서로를 아끼는 가족이었고 각자의 고민과 더불어 그들의 상처까지 떠안게 된 것이었죠.
In every family, people have their role. Mine was the fun one, the goofball.
이번에는 아이 때문에 고민이 많았던 벤의 입장에서 이야기가 서술되기 시작합니다.
Now look at us. Me aside, the rafters are a mess.
Nathan, okay?
About to take him biking.
Rachel tied to her desk, soon to factor in being a single mum. Poor old Nath. Single dad, twice divorced.
이전에 레이첼이 했던 말처럼 현재 가족 중에서 그나마 배우자와 사이가 좋은 것은 벤밖에 없었죠.
Mum always said, you'll know when you know. My future, just a wall away.
So this is a bit weird.
Thank God you swiped right.
캐시와의 첫 만남은 너무나 낭만적이었으며 그녀와 바로 결혼한 것도 아직까지는 전혀 후회할 이유가 없었습니다.
And as for father, work in progress.
I really don't think we should take it. I don't feel comfortable taking money from her.
As soon as you're back on deck.
이대로 아이만 낳을 수 있다면 정말 최고의 상황이었겠지만 문제는 캐시의 생각이 그와 같지 않았다는 것이었죠.
Flush them down the loo.
Stress poos?
This okay with observation Earth?
Well, it's a bit more than I expected, but I'm sure it's fine. Listen, I might slip away and see Dad. Are you right to take Edward home?
Yeah, of course. Can you keep my boo?
So I had a brainwave. Red and I reckon you guys need some chill time. So you're coming with us to Lesbos.
Wait, what?
When we go back, you can come with us and help us break it in. And, well, Reda reckons Cassie seems a bit stressed lately.
그런 상황도 모르고 벤은 여전히 그녀와 자신이 같은 생각이라고 믿었으며 아이를 낳기 위한 방법에 몰두했습니다.
It's going to cost us. Don't think of it as a holiday.
What else would it be? Just after we've taken money from Rachel.
Yeah, money to help us have a baby.
I couldn't speak. Literally could not speak. It's like I was back with my first husband.
그가 자신과 제대로 대화할 생각이 없다고 느낀 캐시는 점차 이런 모습에 지쳐가기 시작했죠.
It's me, not him.
It's a relationship, Cass. Could the common factor be me?
그들은 서로를 사랑했으며 각자의 생각을 존중했음에도 결국 다른 방향을 걷고 있다는 것 때문에 다른 가족들과 똑같은 처지가 될 수 있었습니다.
You don't think you're obsessed?
What else are weekends for?
한편 네이선은 일을 그만두고 이곳저곳을 방황하던 와중에 정신을 차리기 위해서 아버지에게 몸을 의탁했습니다.
I know you think that I was reckless for chucking in my job.
Just worried.
My thinking was to come here and get my strength back. For him.
You're in the right spot.
It seems like it, yeah.
고민이 많을 때는 아무 생각 없이 바람에 몸을 맡기는 것도 꽤나 도움이 되는 방법일 수 있었죠.
Oh, we should go to that cafe more often. It's great to get out, wasn't it? Oh, no, Dad, maybe leave them on for now.
줄리는 아프신 아버지를 매번 찾아가긴 하지만 좀처럼 나아지지 않는 모습에 마음이 썩어 들어갔습니다.
Aren't we going to some fancy cafe? I'm buggered.
Mrs. Rafter?
I'm not saying I expected a miracle. I moved closer to see him more often.
사실상 인간은 누구나 병들며 죽어가기 때문에 당연한 과정이었으나 줄리는 가족들의 힘든 모습을 인정하기 싫은 것 같았죠.
Don't shape your life around him.
I guess I had this romantic idea that I'd help somehow. Dad's possibly worse. Ben and Cassie seem to be coping.
Where's Dave in all this?
We're cool.
이전부터 그래왔지만 그녀는 자신이 모든 일을 해결할 수 있다고 믿었으며 가족들의 마음속에 있는 균열을 보듬어주기 위해 최선을 다했습니다.
Hey.
Thanks again for chatting, Mr. Rafter. I'll keep it quick.
But all this fuss over her is a huge load of crap about her.
Well, it's good that you can laugh about it.
Too crazy to take seriously.
다만 그런 균열을 메꾸기 위해서 정작 본인의 남편인 데이브와 관계가 멀어지고 있었으니 과연 옳게 가는 것일까 의문이 들었죠.
Anyway, thanks for today. No worries.
Yeah, and the report only had today, so I took care of it.
Then why didn't they interview me?
Good question. It is her art.
Carver thinks it could get us on the news.
Okay, well, let's talk about that after dinner,
It's already changing her.
Is that what you said to the reporter?
Been so many words. He seemed pretty impressed, actually. Night.
다른 가족들은 그나마 자신의 처지를 인정하고 있는 듯했으나 캐시와 벤은 전혀 그렇지 못했습니다. 잘 때까지 사진을 둘러보는 남편을 보면서 얘기를 꺼내지도 못했으니 불만은 쌓여갈 수밖에 없었죠.
Well, how could you be so stupid?
I was just trying to hose it down.
Who said that?
No one, darling.
Don't go online. Ruby, look, it was just a joke that I said to a journalist.
한편 세상을 뒤집어 놓을 만한 작품을 제작하던 루비는 언론의 검열에 의해서 완전히 무시당했습니다.
Here she is. What do you say, Rubes? We to stick it to the PM?
Called it crap!
I didn't mean it.
Dad thinks I'm a joke.
Oh, turn the camera off.
What?
Comments.
They're commenting? What are they saying? Actually, no. Don't tell me.
레이첼의 회사에서 유독 신경 써주긴 했지만 이전에 데이브가 홀로 했던 인터뷰가 발목을 잡은 것 같았죠.
The whole thing is in danger of falling apart. This isn't what Ruby wants.
Presenting a united front and being supportive.
Not one parent completely undermining, plus Justin spinning rogue father.
I'm not rogue, and I don't want to be spun. Margaret Thatcher, eat your heart out. Who?
모두가 어린 소녀의 성공을 위해서 노력했던 것이었으니 현재의 상황에 대한 책임은 데이브가 오롯이 짊어져야 했습니다.
This is the fourth message I left for you, Ryan. You misquoted me, and on behalf of my daughter, I demand an apology. And have the guts to answer your bloody phone.
Please tell me a solution isn't buying drugs.
Not yet.
There she is. The newest sacrifice to the whims of the Twitterverse.
이런 상황을 곁에서 지켜봤던 벤은 본인이 직접 해결할 수 있다며 여행을 떠나기 전에 루비를 어딘가로 데려가죠.
Welcome. Come on in. You probably made more yesterday than he did in his whole career.
But people didn't laugh at him.
Oh, but they did. Even his own mother thought he was a joke.
Like Dad does me.
I've no doubt he was misquoted. Let it go.
진보적인 성향을 갖고 있었던 그녀에게 예술에 대한 열린 생각을 갖게 해준다면 마음이 진정될 수도 있겠다고 느낀 것이었습니다.
All artists suffer. True artists rise above it and pour those feelings into their work. Your empathy for a starving creature captured on canvas.
Who painted this one?
That one is mine. But sadly, over 2 full days, not a single bite. But rather than face the pain of rejection again, I keep it here.
결국 창의적인 예술가란 그 시대의 인정을 못 받는 것이 대부분이었기에 이를 참고 견딘다면 빛을 발할 것이라는 얘기였죠.
Now, pack away your woes, go home and paint whatever our talk inspires.
What, now? Something serious. No more poo, I think.
Let it free. It'll come out one way or another.
루비의 마음은 어느 정도 진정된 것 같았으니 이제는 캐시의 고민을 진지하게 얘기할 때였습니다.
I tried to talk to you last night, but you were asleep.
Babe, if Greece stresses you out this much, we don't have to.
I don't want the IVF.
I agree that we shouldn't rush. We can wait a few cycles, take as much time as you need.
Ben, please. I'm done.
그녀는 왜 자신이 임신을 하기 싫은지에 대해서 여태껏 쌓아왔던 말들을 쏟아내기 시작했죠.
Do you have any idea how hard it's been for me to tell you?
So that's my fault? Name one time that I have blocked you talking. One time.
I cannot let it be my life. I will not let it. I'm sorry.
Donna, I've got to go. Dave's had an accident. Like it's his shoulder, his arm. I'm not sure. I just have to get up there, all right? Of course. Call me when you know more.
갈등이 해결되지도 않은 상황에서 그들의 아버지가 사고를 당했으니 갈수록 문제만 늘어나는 느낌이었습니다.
Bye.
I love you all.
Love you, Mom. Bye.
Bye. Last corner. Here you go.
다행히도 크게 다친 것은 아니었지만 자칫 잘못했더라면 목숨을 잃을 수도 있는 위기가 있었죠.
Until slam. You do. And that's when I saw it. A spike sticking out of a log.
You're pretty lucky, eh?
Dad, always the solid one. Now on shifting sands. Suddenly the girl with everything can feel everything falling apart. And Nathan, the most likely to succeed, who can't cut a break.
벤은 모든 가족들보다 본인이 낫다고 여겼었지만 일련의 사건들을 계기로 완전히 생각이 바뀌게 되었습니다.
We'll be fine.
Ben, we're not fine. I had to throw down vodka to get the courage to talk to you. We need help. A counselor.
To say what?
전혀 의견이 일치하지 않는 배우자를 두고 있음에도 억지로 살아가야 했으니 어쩌면 다른 이들보다 더욱 불완전한 부부일 수도 있었죠.
Breathing in, planning, let go. 3 days ago, I was like, get me out of here.
한편 이번에는 아내 없이 홀로 아이를 키우는 네이선의 입장에서 3일 전으로 시간이 돌아갑니다.
Open your heart to life. Ah, hell.
Well, there's a couple of sessions of Savo. Just turn up.
No judgment. As in literally, no judgment.
집도 무너지고 아들과 함께 외롭게 살고 있었지만 긍정적인 성격인 그는 나름 행복하게 살려고 노력했죠.
A couple of days here might just be getting the hang of it.
I've just arrived. I'm all.
I can highly recommend starting with the breathing class.
정신적인 수련을 위해서 요가를 한 것도 있었으나 어찌됐든 자신에게 걸맞은 짝을 찾기 위함도 있는 것 같았습니다.
It's all very new to me.
Well, you've chosen the right place.
So far, so good. Acceptance opens up possibilities. Avoidance closes them down.
And this gal arrived all stressed out and shell-shocked. The magic words. For the next hour, you'll be lying down.
Whatever way that works.
You're a sporty spice. I'm not.
심지어 그곳에서 만났던 여성도 마침 이혼한 적이 있었기에 빠른 속도로 공감대를 형성할 수 있을 것 같았죠.
Carpe diem. We might just click.
One step at a time. And when in doubt, exhale. Imagine your 6-year-old self sitting with you.
Deep in thought.
다만 사랑하는 아들이 내심 마음에 걸렸는지 다른 만남을 가지고 싶어도 멈추는 일이 대부분이었습니다.
Very, and I've really enjoyed your company. I'm just not looking for anyone right now, romantically. My priority should be Eddie and...
Good for your gorgeous boy.
Hey.
But monastic for you.
It's a choice I've made without quite realizing.
Well, even more reason to change to a job you actually enjoy.
There'll be someone out there for you. Come on, why wouldn't there be?
결국 잘 맞을 것이라고 생각했던 여성을 눈앞에서 놓쳤고 그의 인생은 항상 이런 식으로 돌아갈 뿐이었죠.
I'm glad you enjoyed it here, Nathan. Or Jeremy enjoyed meeting you. Might be more hot coals sooner than you think.
Bag? Are you two,
I had a kick in the shin from a certain 6-year-old.
Congratulations.
Phone's back on.
그래도 사랑하는 아들을 보면 자신의 선택이 틀리지 않았다는 것을 내심 다시 깨닫는 순간이 돌아왔습니다.
Just by slowing down your thoughts, you remember what you're grateful for.
Hello?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I was miles away. If you need anything, if Dave needs anything.
Dave? Oh, well, Dave's back at work today.
The doctor said rest.
Well, no, he had a rest.
한편 줄리는 비록 데이브와의 단기적인 이별을 고하긴 했지만 예기치 못한 사고로 인해서 결국 곁에 머물러야 했죠.
Right. I mean, even teenagers wear them, apparently. Oh, but not Dave.
He missed you.
Has he? I'm not so sure.
Time for a walk if you feel like it?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
멋있게 서로 이별을 고했으니 모양새가 좀 빠지긴 했으나 그가 홀로 할 수 있는 것이 없기에 어쩔 수 없었습니다.
Cast's a bit itchy, but that's about it. It's good to get the job done.
Yeah, well.
Paddo's going for a ride, and I said I'd go watch.
Just checking to see if.
Can I do that?
No, it's no big deal. It's fine.
나름 본인의 의지로 일을 헤쳐나가고 싶은 모양이었지만 이마저도 쉽지 않았으니 고민이 많았던 데이브.
International Space Station's due soon.
Is it?
No point in making things hard when they can be easy.
Ah, there you go.
It's the dark spaces in between them.
Right. Only if you know what you're looking for.
None of my business. But if you please, Julie's back. You should say it.
If she wasn't here, I'd have to manage.
Hey, Ruby. Check this out. Yeah.
그 시각 루비는 자신의 작품이 인터넷상에서 조롱당하는 일로 인해서 학교에서도 놀림을 받았죠.
That's awful. It's because of Dad. Until he said it was crap, everyone really liked my artwork. Your dad thinks you're crap, which he actually said. When we get home, I need to go online and see what the people who love me are saying.
대단한 예술가처럼 행세하긴 했지만 어린 나이에 이런 일을 겪는다는 것은 꽤나 상처로 다가올 만했습니다.
Bloody hell, where do these dickheads spring up from?
At least it's something we agree on.
이전의 대화로 인해서 서로 관계가 회복되지 않았기에 남의 고민을 신경 쓰는 것이 우선일까 싶기는 했죠.
That is full on, Cass. I've just walked in. Give me a break.
I need to have some time online.
How about we give Mum a call? Let me speak to her first, okay?
Yes, sweetheart, but I can understand Cassie.
Sure.
And now she wants to draw a line in the sand. Well, all I can say is lots of love to you both.
I'll put you on to Rubes.
Hey, Mum.
Hello, sweetheart.
Totally lame one.
Yeah, but it still hurts, right? No going online until I come back down, all right?
주위의 어른들이 최선을 다해서 다독여주는데 특이한 성격이었던 루비는 다른 꿍꿍이가 있는 듯했습니다.
All I know is I still want us to have children.
You mean you want to have your own children? Every time I felt life inside me.
Let me hope for both of us.
그들이 서로 다투는 틈을 타서 그녀는 인터넷을 통해 자신에 대한 반응을 확인하고 싶은 듯했죠.
Just tell me what you need.
To at least discuss adoption. Ben, you're not listening. There may be no later down the track. Maybe we can go together to see a counsellor.
You've changed your password and I need the new one.
No, you don't. Listen, you've already had a rotten day. Don't make it any worse.
I have to go online to do my homework.
유포된 사진들을 보고 상처를 받고 있었지만 사람이란 누구나 자신의 유명세를 확인하고 싶도록 설계된 생물이었습니다.
Do you know Grandma's password? Mum's. Of course. She left it here. I saw. Keep an eye out for Cassie. I will. That's not fair.
이런 과정이 그녀에게는 성장을 도모할 수도 있었으나 당장 남는 것은 커다란 상처뿐이었죠. 그래도 루비는 이런 것 때문에 좌절하는 성격이 아니었으며 오히려 불타오르는 의지로 작품 활동에 열을 올립니다.
Cabo's here. He's gonna teach us some magic. Do not disturb. Doing my best painting ever. They want to take me to the art market tomorrow.
Well, if it's okay with Ben and Cassie.
They're going to a doctor's appointment.
Gotcha. They'll love it. Okay, let's get carbonated. It's an arty-farty day for us again here.
But every one of the words you'll see on my painting is what trolls out there have been saying about me.
화가 난 그녀는 자신이 받은 악플들을 작품에 새기면서 명작을 알아보지 못하는 그들을 역으로 조롱할 생각이었죠.
Right! Okay, we've cut.
Oh, my dear.
Said about me online. Lots of artists paint with words.
I think you've taken the cake.
Rubes, what have you done?
Carbo, put Ruby on the phone.
She's back at Ben and Cassie's, Mrs. Rafter.
Me.
I didn't know what the painting was. On my Yayas grave.
Hope you guys are ready. And you trolls should be ashamed.
물론 참신한 아이디어라고 볼 수도 있었으나 결국 쏟아지는 악플에 휩싸여 루비가 더 큰 상처를 받을 수도 있었습니다.
Could see something like this coming a mile off.
Oh, well, if you could see it coming a mile off, why didn't you do something about it?
Know what this is about?
Well, she should come home. Sure, great, but what does that mean for you and me? She'd be safe here with me. You stay there longer if you have to.
What, you're doing my head in.
루비에 대한 생각이 첨예하게 대립할수록 그들의 사이에 생긴 벽도 점차 커지는 것 같았죠.
Tessa, you ready for that walk?
You know, at first I thought he was just embarrassed that he'd had the accident. Then I started thinking, is he trying to drive me away? He doesn't want me back here out of duty or pity. There's gremlin inside, not just paper over the cracks.
둘 다 가족들을 끔찍히 사랑하는 것은 확실했기에 시간이 지날수록 자신이 무엇을 하고 싶은지에 대한 생각이 희미해졌습니다.
You don't even care that I might have done something.
Well, no, you wouldn't.
Well, if David asked, who knows?
Well, he wouldn't.
Oh, thanks very much. I mean, he's just a man. He's not a saint. He's not going to stick around forever.
Yeah, okay, that's enough.
심지어 이대로 가다가는 다시 서로를 볼 수 없을지도 몰랐으니 빠른 입장 정리가 필요해 보였죠.
Is it about our building, Dad?
You want to go outside and play and I'll be right out?
All right.
Between the Strata Committee, the builders, and state government.
한편 네이선은 도저히 아파트 문제가 해결될 기미가 보이지 않았기에 좀 더 벤의 집에 머물기로 합니다.
Daddy will get the plates. Come on.
Yay!
How you feeling about everything? I mean, the meeting.
Well, I expected to be gutted. But oddly, a sort of relief. But I feel interested in what's up ahead.
Might be a delayed reaction.
Thanks. Could be as easy as getting out of your own way.
Would you like to sit down?
Haven't got long, sorry.
사실 그의 마음에는 애초부터 애나가 들어와 있었기에 이전의 만남을 거부했을지도 몰랐죠.
I've been a pain since the day I started.
No argument.
That wasn't me. There's plenty of other bits which are pretty okay.
I did see your building on the news. Yikes to you.
No one's died. We've got a roof over our head. Friends, kinda.
놀랍게도 그는 자신의 현재 상태를 인정하고 변화를 시도하면서 좋은 기회들을 받게 되었습니다.
I'd never been to a retreat before. I was just sharing some ideas. Yeah, I certainly will.
Managing the wellness retreat. Nathan mentioned to the owner what he liked about the place, what he might change, and
So will he take it?
well, he sounded keen.
새로운 시작은 누구에게나 두려움을 주었지만 이를 딛고 일어섰을 때 비로소 인간은 성장할 수 있었죠. 각자가 이제 솔직한 심정을 드러내기 시작하면서 그들 가족은 이제 완전한 변화를 맞이할 것 같았습니다.
All of us on the move. It's the only certainty in life. Acceptance opens up possibilities. And the first step to acceptance is the hardest one.
I've come to a serious decision about your mum.
Excellent work, guys. Tap your troubles away. For an hour, I did manage to forget.
줄리 역시 잠시 동안 데이브의 곁에 있으면서 대화를 나눠본 결과 머릿속이 복잡했음에도 이를 떨쳐버리려고 노력하는 것 같았죠.
Have a quick breather. We're going to end with a cool down routine. Professor?
Kept any away? So many to choose from.
Selfish Donna hopes that time brings all three of you back.
Well, the old rafters have gone. They drove off 6 years ago.
아직까지도 그녀는 자신의 뜻대로 가족이 돌아갔으면 좋겠으며 이를 본인이 해낼 수 있다고 믿었습니다.
You know I wouldn't hurt Rubes.
Not intentionally.
I just want to help.
Well, and off doing your own thing.
It's for fun.
Connect with your followers fine. But try and connect with something fine in them.
카보는 그들 가족과 친분을 유지하면서 여러모로 도움을 주었으나 내심 줄리는 관여하지 않았으면 좋겠다고 생각하는 듯했죠.
Were they worth having if you do?
True.
You're a good friend.
If it's too big for the car, I can make other arrangements. Julie, my favorite painting for my favorite budding talent.
가족들을 챙기기 위해서 부부관계와 평안한 노후까지 뿌리치고 온 것이었기에 본인의 뜻대로 상황을 주도하고 싶었던 것이었습니다.
I'm taking you home to Dad and Pato.
Hey, thank you for having us here so long.
Oh, kept us on our toes.
I'm thinking about it, okay?
Good.
But there are more people here to get the message.
You're a breath and a gale here. You are the gale in Barradina. Don't you think it's run away from you just a bit?
다만 루비는 본인의 예술 활동도 중요하게 생각했지만 아버지와 어머니가 사이좋게 지내는 것이 더 우선인 듯했죠.
There's so much more happening here. Make him, Mum, please.
Except I'm not sure what I do hope for anymore. I thought I knew. One stage of growing up is realizing that your parents are just as vulnerable as you.
Well, guess I have missed Pato. Maybe Charles is right.
Well, let's see, shall we?
Can't hurt.
Dinner's ready.
Thanks.
Driving to what?
데이브와 그녀가 뜻을 맞추지 못했기에 지금으로서는 부부관계와 자식들 모두 챙길 수 없는 것이었습니다.
Nearly there. All I know is small changes aren't going to cut it.
그래도 루비가 데이브를 보고 싶어 했으니 갈등을 아직 해결하지 않았다고 하더라도 발걸음을 옮겨야 했죠.
Hey,
We good?
we're good. You good?
I'm still a bit sore.
Then, out of the blue, that night,
How does it feel?
Being back.
Old patterns can creep in after 35 years, so maybe you need to really break them.
다만 데이브는 마치 아직 준비가 되지 않았다는 것처럼 그녀가 레이첼의 곁에 있었으면 좋겠다고 얘기합니다.
She and I could do with some one-on-one time. Ben and Cassie can take care of Ted.
Well, they're going to Greece.
Your choice.
Well, we spoke last time she was here about my tendency to take over.
She slept on it. I didn't pressure her. And she's good to go.
Would it?
Only if we let it.
You're not pushing me away.
No, I want you to take the opportunity. Take as much time as you need.
그는 그녀와 떨어져 있는 동안 마음의 결정을 내렸고 원하는 것을 하도록 내버려두는 것이 좋겠다고 생각한 듯하죠.
was rushing off to Rachel just avoidance? And was Dave doing the same thing?
이 모든 것이 자신이 원하는 일들이었지만 남편의 색다른 태도에 갑자기 혼란스러움을 느끼기 시작한 줄리.
I think she needs me.
I don't want to sound insensitive, but does she really? She'll have it all sorted out.
Well, no, it's easy to not feel vulnerable when it's abstract.
We can talk about it at the picnic.
여러모로 고민이 가득한 가운데 갑자기 나타난 네이선은 소풍을 가자는 얘기를 꺼냅니다.
When the kids start telling us how to behave.
We're not that old. That's
현재 의견들이 전혀 일치하지 않고 있었기에 함께 즐거운 시간을 보낸다면 무언가 달라질지도 몰랐죠.
I overstepped the mark. You helped? We're fine. Okay.
Oh, look, saved by the bell. Gang's all here. We're getting them warmed up.
How was the drive?
We had an easy run, didn't we, Grandad?
Whatever the reason, this is lovely.
Well, marriage counselling made me realise how getting things out helps.
그들의 부모도 힘든 시간을 보내고 있었지만 하나씩 결여된 문제들을 각자 해결해야 했기 때문이었습니다.
Let's PART. Why? Why? Because this is a picnic.
어찌됐든 레이첼을 제외한 모두가 모이면서 오랜만에 다 같이 즐거운 시간을 보낼 수 있게 되었죠.
This is a picnic with a purpose, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is adult stuff. Eddie, Ruby.
Let me say something first, then I'll be with you. All right. The last few weeks, you've all made me see that adults are just grown-up kids. Whatever makes you happiest.
Thanks, darling.
I'd be up for New York. Think about it.
아이들을 내보내고 그들은 어른들끼리 마음속에 꽁꽁 숨겨놓았던 이야기들을 꺼내기 시작합니다.
And day one, I just thought, you guys were the coolest couple, perfect couple. Hashtag couple goals.
Okay, who's next?
But you don't have to worry about me, love, or your mother. So you do what's right for you.
사실 그들이 갖고 있는 고민은 어떤 가족들이라도 모두 한 번쯤은 생각해 볼 만한 평범한 일들에 지나지 않았죠.
I hope it'll bring you back.
I just came up here to say you're only just home. However it turns out, we'll understand, because we love you too much not to. But we know what we hope. Only way to go, right, Dad?
You go get your point, son.
We are going to adopt.
Took me a little while to catch on, but we're more together than ever.
그들은 곁에 있는 이들에게서 상처를 받음과 동시에 그보다 더 대단한 위로를 받고 있었습니다.
First the laughter, then the tears of happiness.
Ben's right. The way forward's together.
Ben might have been pushing that, but we agreed I should go.
He was saying I should go. To New York.
결국 그들은 함께 있는 것 자체에 대해서 행복을 느꼈고 이는 부모님이 온전한 관계를 유지하는 것이 전제되었죠.
And you can come home when you want to.
Let's see where it takes us. And not a moment too soon. Her waters broke as we walked out the arrivals gate.
데이브는 이제 줄리 없이는 살 수 없다는 것을 느꼈으며 완전히 생각을 바꿔서 그녀와 함께하기로 합니다.
Is she okay? She is perfect. Say hello to Grandma.
홀로 아이를 낳는 것이 외로울 수도 있었지만 이제 든든한 부모님이 곁을 지켜주었죠.
Not yet. Not yet. Our daughter has a baby. Our daughter. And I will find my purpose with you.
과정이야 비록 험난했으나 아기가 밝게 웃는 모습을 보면서 그녀 역시 같은 표정을 지을 수밖에 없었습니다.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Ah, well, we make a great team.
Sorry, I lost sight of that for a while. Don't sound too excited.
She's cute.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm really here.
물론 그들은 앞으로도 힘들 것이었고 미래로 나아가는 것에 주저함이 있을 것이었죠.
We're still trying to get our heads around the parent thing.
I can't think of anyone I'd rather trust Louise with.
Granddad'll be chuffed.
So will I if you accept.
Yeah, of course.
다만 실패하더라도 곁을 지켜주는 가족들이 있다면 이제 언제든 넘어져도 될 것 같은 안심이 되었습니다.
What's news?
Research. How to keep a promise. It's amazing how the small moments can suddenly come together to go.
You need to find your purpose.
자식들만을 바라보며 살았던 줄리가 이제 자신의 꿈을 향해 나아가는 장면을 마지막으로 드라마는 끝이 나죠.
So excited. So terrified. Look at me, Mum. I'm at uni.
자극적이지는 않지만 가족들의 솔직한 감정들을 아름답게 풀어내면서 삶의 지혜를 재밌게 그려낸 드라마 백투 더 레프터즈였습니다.